So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a crank for your automaton. And I'm just going to show you something really easy that will make all the measurements make sense. So we're going to go to modify, we're going to go to change parameters, and we're going to import by clicking that arrow. Let me do that again. By clicking this, we're going to import parameters. And then we are going to select from computer, and we're going to click parameters for cams. Open, insert it, great. It has all these values. You click import, great. You have what you need in a way. Click OK. And now this will help us with our measurements. So now we're going to go to create. We're going to click create sketch. We're going to select plane or planar face. And we are actually going to use slot for this because I just like that design of the slot better. We're going to click overall to center slot. Oops, I messed up there. Press escape if you ever mess up in Fusion. We're going to click slot, center to center slot. And then I want this to be nom-dia. That's actually, yeah, that's fine. I want this to be nom-dia. And then we are going to do 1 inch. Press OK. Great. We have the base of our crank here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to rectangle. We're going to click center rectangle. And this is where we type in axle dia, tab axle dia. Amazing. Perfect. Great. And for this, all we need is a little circle, and this doesn't matter the size. So if you want to do axle dia, you can, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to for consistency. Press axle dia, press enter. Good. Click finish sketch, and you have a big part of your model. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click this, as you saw. Let me redo that. So we're going to click this. We're going to click extrude. And we are going to just type thickness. Brilliant. But we have this little circle here. So what you're going to do is click this, click sketch 1, and then you're going to move your box. Your box is always in this upper right-hand corner. And we're going to click extrude again, and we're going to click this circle. And we're going to do thickness, capital 8, shift 8 basically. And we're going to do thickness. And we're going to type in thickness. And you're going to do an asterisk, which is a star. You can do that by pressing shift 8. And we're going to do that by times 2. I just like that measurement. Press enter. Great. We're going to hide the sketch. And there you go. You have your crank for your automaton.